D-Thing, brought to you by Northwell, who believes that when we raise health, we raise everyone. Be a health raiser at raisehealth.com.
New York City is covered in a record-breaking amount of snow, and the forecast shows there's more to come. With the help of social media, Bay Ridge residents are connecting neighbors in need with snow shovelers.
You go onto Facebook and you look up Bay Ridge shoveling. You put out a plea saying, I need someone to shovel my sidewalk, and people come in and say, to message me or inbox me.
Sheila is an administrator of the Facebook group that was created by her sister Bernie in 2022.
She saw on a lot of other Bay Ridge Facebook groups, people looking for people to help shovel. We got a lot of elderly people here.
This association has how many people now?
I think by now we have 1,000 members.
1,000?
1,000, yeah.
During the recent storm, the page became flooded with members offering their services, including a group of very nice high school students.
He worked on Sunday and Monday, and I think we did a total of 16 absence.
We could just help out a lot of people and also make some money on the side too, but it was really just about providing for everyone.
Just seeing people happy that their sidewalk is clear and everything was clear, it made us keep going and want to do more.
A helping hand with shoveling can go a long way, especially for those facing a higher risk of cardiac arrest.
If you're someone who has underlying heart disease or has unknown heart disease, it can oftentimes get unmasked, or you can have symptoms from your heart disease when you're doing activities like shoveling snow.
For lifelong residents like Sheila, shoveling snow helps preserve a sense of community in Brooklyn that spans across decades.
My father, we took care of a church on 56th and 4th in Sunset Park. And my father would be the first one out there shoveling, and then the 5 kids would come out and shoveling, and then the whole block would end up helping us and everything. It's all about giving back. The people out here, it's a small village with a big heart.
How are you? Well, for the right price, I'll shovel.
And did you?
No, but she's remarkable. She's the story. Now, if you look at the parents, same thing. Father, religious, giver. Mother always cooked, even for people who, didn't exist at the table. She'd invite people in from the neighborhood. And she brings this tremendous passion to help other people and brings out the best in everybody. Remember this. This area is not covered with transportation in terms of buses and trains really well. And she makes one call and 1,000 shovels go into motion.
That's insane.
Helping people.
How'd you guys find the story?
My producer.
The lovely and talented Brian.
He has his
I'm
sources.
sorry.
He doesn't give away his sources.
No, he's right. She should get all the credit. She always does the right thing.
And it's great to see neighbors helping each other, because that's really what community is about.
And you're like that. But it brings out, you bring out the best in people. And when you bring out the best, good things happen.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, G.
And you're welcome. I brought up